Lesson 1, Question 3. Use the empirical probability formula p hat equals x over n to find x given that, and then we're also given this hint that if p hat equals x over n, then that means x equals n times p hat. So we're just multiplying both sides of that formula by n. So part A gives us the value of 1500 for n and the value of 0.24 for p hat. So we're going to go ahead and put those numbers in for n and p hat like this. Then we will multiply both sides of the equation by 1500 so that we can clear the fraction on the right side. So then that just leaves us with x on the right side, and the left side is 0.24 times 1500. So we type that into our calculator, we get x equals 360. Part B, we're going to do the same thing, but when n is equal to 850, and when p hat is equal to 0.46. So we put those numbers in for n and p hat in the formula. And then, just like last time, we are going to multiply both sides by that denominator, 850, so that the right side is just x now, and the left side is 0.46 times 850. So that leaves us with x equaling 391.